I got lucky and I'm off work a little bit early. I was gonna leave for my campsite tomorrow morning, but I'm gonna leave tonight, which means I'm setting up in the dark, but there's not too much I can do about that. At least I'll be able to wake up there. It's now 2 in the morning. I feel pretty defeated. I went to my go-to site and the trail was just locked out. Just mud, muck, everything, and then a group of dudes had already taken the like bailout spot. So I drove up a logging road for, I don't know, 20, 25 minutes, nothing. Then I had to come back, and then I had to drive all the way into Coleman. So now I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start Googling stuff, kind of looking for maybe a year-round campground. Unfortunately, I'd have to pay at, or a spot I know in BC, and I'd have to hustle to get there. So we'll see, and I'll check back in a minute. So an hour and a half down the road, we have Lake Kookanusa. I've never been. The weather looks warm. It looks like it's only gonna get warmer over the next few days, so I guess that's where I'm headed. I'm just gonna gas up here, grab a Red Bull or something, and keep trucking. Finally made it. It's about 4 in the morning. We made it to Kookanusa, and it's beautiful here. It's warm. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna see water and mountains, and there's no snow on the ground, like none whatsoever. So I'm glad I pushed through, and that just goes to show what you can do if you just fucking give her. We made it through the night. Just making coffee and a sausage right now. Going on the fire. Got a decent little fire pit going. This place is beautiful. It's sandy. It's different than Alberta, that's for sure. But let me show you. There's all kinds of spots everywhere, and I thought I'd be waking up to water and mountains, but there's mountains, but the lake is dry. I'm gonna have to figure out why it's so low. Probably just glacial runoff or mountain runoff, but yeah, check this out. Really windy today, so I guess we'll see what the day brings. Yeah, it's so windy that my chair got knocked over, an extra sausage got knocked in the dirt, so we'll see. Beautiful spot, but when I get some coffee in me, I'll start exploring and go for a little tour. Yeah, look at that sand kicking up there. Crazy. I don't know if you can see it. Pretty far. Yeah. Wow. That's sick. So we've got Camp 2.0. I moved. The other spot was beautiful, but it was a little bit too exposed. It got windy, and then it snowed, and then now it's like 10-12 degrees, sunny, a little windy. But yeah, it was like unbearable in the morning. Shit was falling over. I couldn't film anything because that was it. It was just like, this got fucking knocked over, that got knocked over, so fuck it. Yeah, my struggle is a little bit more important to me than you motherfuckers watching this. Not that you're not important to me for like watching it and shit, but I mean, I want you to watch it, I need you to watch it, but in those situations I just can't film. It takes a lot of effort to like stick a camera in your face. This shit infuriates me. Piece of plastic I found on the ground, but it's a fucking gun, and it looks like it held ice, and someone just threw it on the ground and left it there. What kind of redneck piece of shit are you? So I went for a little bit of a walk, and as you can see, I stumbled upon some stuff. There's this burnt trailer back there. You guys will have seen. It's a fucking mess, man. And it really bums me out because places like these are special. And, you know, we're free to use it. And then, you know, I'm sure in my lifetime it'll be closed down and you won't be able to get back here. So, bummer. Yukon's running amok. It's hilarious. Thinks he's Usain Bolt. Size of this tree. This thing's huge. It's a beautiful day in the woods. Yuke, what you doing? Oh my God. So I went to go sit down and have a cigarette on the cliff here, and I'm gonna show you what happened. It's pretty funny. This is why you don't smoke weed and go on hikes. I went to go sit down here, and as you can see, it gave way, and then I managed to like run it out. You can see it, all the footsteps there. I didn't slam, so that's a plus. I ran that one out like a champ. So yeah, I'm gonna try it again, but we'll see. Not gonna lie, I'm a little lost, but I'm on a quad trail, so I should be able to find it. I mean, I'm not too far. Okay, so thank God I'm in a place where there's service, so I can kind of head my way back to a road. There should be a road right up here. Also gotta walk back up that hill. But yeah, no worries. We'll get there. I got Yukon to keep me warm if I get stuck out here all night. And I got bear spray, so I'll be good. I don't know what I was worried about. Just did a loop. And we're back at camp. Beauty. Gonna start a fire, crack some beers. Sick. Dinner started. Got a nice bed of coals going. Tri-tip steak. I'm gonna feast on that tonight. One's for the dog. And then I'm gonna try and make sweet potato fries. It's canola oil, gonna fry them up. See what happens. Trying stuff out. Just chilling. Yukon. Oh, buddy. You want some steak? Do you want some steak? Oh, we're gonna get some. We're gonna get some. Yeah, dude. Oh, good boy. Look at that. You're killer. You're the shit. Yeah, I know you want some of that. Don't even think about it. You know that. You know better than that. Can I see you sit? Can I see you sit? Right, sit right by those steaks. Don't touch them. You know you won't. Steak? Oil starting to boil up. Steak's chilling. Doing a good job. I think I got this figured out.